Typically, government has asked us to do 100 hours of this kind of experiment. So what we are trying to do is, on an average, every day we are trying 8 deliveries with a single equipment. We have 2 equipments to do that on this particular trial period. And probably next 30 to 45 days this experiment will go on. Then we have some report formation, report generation, all these things has to be done. Then we'll be able to submit the report in after 45 days.
Is a 5 rupee coin, and it would actually cost less than this to operate this drone to drop off 1 consignment of medicines. And of course, the most important aspect would be how soon we can deliver emergency medication, especially at a time when we've heard so many stories of people looking through entire cities in search of remdesivir and other such critical drugs.
Currently, we are using a multi-rotor, which you are seeing here, this kind of configuration, which is more safe in terms of the operation. And later we can actually change to a hybrid aircraft, which we have some other products. Currently, this capacity of the payload is 2 kg. We are trying in these trials up to 2 kg, and which can be scaled up to 10 kgs easily. And we have something called a range, how long the drone can fly in a single battery. So currently the product which we have offering about 20-25 kilometers, but this also can be scaled up by using this hybrid platform up to 100 kilometers.
Looking at is not the medicine delivery, that would be very limited sort of term. What we are looking at is connectivity. Today we may look at experimenting with medicines, and we may talk about medicines in general, but tomorrow we can look at blood, plasma, even scale up this to create a green corridor between crucial hospitals and airports and do organ delivery.